Hello, foodies. Welcome back to the channel. Smiling face with heart-shaped eyes cooked rice. Because in Indian homes, leftover rice never retires. It gets promoted to veg fried rice. Face with tears of joy. So, carrots put on your chef hat, prep time, or just your favorite t-shirt. And let's get cooking. We've got carrots, beans, capsicum, cabbage, spring onions, and lots of garlic. Chop everything nice and small. Remember, the smaller the vegetables, the faster they cook. And yes, if you're crying while chopping onions, don't worry. They're just emotional because they're about to become delicious. Face with tears of joy. Fire step 2. Heat the pan. Heat a pan or wok and add a little oil. Make sure the pan is nice and hot. A cold pan is like Monday morning. Nobody enjoys it. Smiling face with open mouth and cold sweat. Step 3. Garlic goes in. Add the chopped garlic and sauté for a few seconds. That amazing aroma? Congratulations! Your neighbors have officially started wondering what's cooking. Rainbow step 4. Add the vegetables. Now toss in all the vegetables and stir-fry them on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep them slightly crunchy because nobody wants vegetables that are softer than a pillow. Smiling face with open mouth and smiling eyes. Look at those colorful vegetables. Cooked rice step 5. Time for the rice. Fluffy rice and that mouth-watering aroma. Honestly, add cooked this looks cool so good that ordering takeout should feel a little nervous today. Not smiling face with heart-shaped eyes. Every grain deserves if you enjoyed this recipe and smiled face with tears of joy. Don't forget to like thumbs up sign, share season like a pro, and subscribe bell to the channel. Add soy sauce. It motivates me to bring more vinegar, salt, and fun recipes every week. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite fried rice topping? Don't add too much soy sauce unless you're trying to make midnight black fried rice. Fes with Scout and Ganwin guy. Herb step 7. Final touch. Mix everything well until every grain is coated with delicious flavor. Finish with freshly chopped spring onion greens and give everything one final toss. And just like that, mushrooms, your homemade veg fried rice is ready. Extra chili. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, keep cooking, and remember, good food doesn't need to be expensive. It just needs a little love and the right amount of garlic. Heavy Black Heart Man cooking. See you in the next delicious recipe. Bye-bye. Waving hand sign if your audience is mostly